So now I'm about to pull the battery tray out and the stock electronics. They'll all go on that fabricated plate I made earlier up top. I'm going to trim the posts off the battery tray and install a Velcro strap so that they go down well, so the battery holds down, and that'll be about it. Also, I'm going to turn the battery plate around facing the other way so that I can slide the battery in from the front. Got the receiver plate out. It dropped out with just 4 screws, and now you have a hollow chassis. Can't really see it very well because of the camera angle, but there's the battery plate in the stock electronics. Just 4 screws holding it in. I'm going to take this and cut holes for the battery strap that I'm going to use right there. This is an old axial battery strap that I got and didn't use. The electronics will be used elsewhere, and this will just be a battery plate, and I'll be trimming off the posts. Got the electronics off of the battery tray. It's a pretty simple battery tray. I thought that the power switch holder would come off, but it's molded onto the tray. I'm gonna, as I said before, I'm gonna cut these posts off. They previously held a little clip to hold the battery down. I don't like this. I never have, so I'm going to switch it out and cut holes down into the bottom slots so that I can slide these double-sided Velcro straps on. Just one in the front, and that should hold the battery down. You give me access to hold it down. The battery will slide in from the front into this tray. That's why the battery post needs to go, and this will just be blank space. The battery plate used to face to the rear, with the bulk of the battery shooting out the back end, switching it around to the front so that the battery will slide right into the tray. I'm going to go ahead and do that and mount it back up. Also, when I mount this, the ESC plate and the receiver, all the electronics will be mounted on top to the 2 bars that I moved up a little bit to give me more space to mount the battery. So there's the battery plate. Got the strap on and sawed off the posts, sanded those off so it's nice and smooth. The strap goes in on the side so that there's no obstruction on the bottom. Decoration, powered by Castle, because it is. This gets mounted back, and then the electronics plate gets mounted on over top of it. I didn't like that I didn't have a rear strap, so I went ahead and drilled a hole in the bottom of the tray on each side in the rear to accommodate a rear strap. Once again, it doesn't go through the bottom, goes through the side so that there's no rubbing or interference from the bottom. So that now it has front, rear, and rear battery straps.